Hello friends, welcome to Dudier Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss image-based questions which will be useful for the nursing officer exams. It also helps to familiarize with the equipments, instruments and the peculiar medical conditions. So please like, comment and share the channel. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. So let us start. First question, identify the instrument. Options: bipolar coagulating forceps, octopus stabilizer, endotracheal tube, jaw tooltip grasper. Answer is octopus tissue stabilizer. It is used in open heart surgery. It is used to stabilize the surgical site in the beating heart surgery. It consists of two section paddles that are placed in parallel on either side of the coronary artery. It utilizes a section pressure of 300 to 400 mm of mercury to effectively immobilize the target site. So the answer is octopus tissue stabilizer. Second question, identify the following image. Options: oropharyngeal airway, ET tube, nasopharyngeal airway, laryngeal mask airway. Answer is nasopharyngeal airway. It is also known as NPA, which are flexible tubes that is inserted nasally along the floor of the nasopharynx. It is an adjunct to help keep airway intact. Once inserted, it prevents the patient's tongue from occluding the airway. So third question, identify the disease condition. Options: bullous pemphigoid, psoriasis, thrombocytopenic purpura, systemic lupus erythematosus. Answer: systemic lupus erythematosus. SLE is a chronic autoimmune disease which is characterized by the production of unusual antibodies in blood. The immune system attacks its own tissues and it can affect the skin, joints, brain and other organs. And also the peculiar feature of SLE is butterfly rashes on the face. Now let's move on to the next question. Identify the type of immobilization device. Options: Russell's traction, Buck's traction, Bryan's traction, Gallows traction. Answer is Buck's traction. It's a type of skin traction that is widely used for the femoral, hip and acetabular fracture, which are the fractures in the socket portion of the ball and socket hip joint. It is applied by strapping the patient's affected lower limb and attaching weights to it. Fifth question, identify the type of fracture. Options: open fracture, comminuted fracture, closed fracture, green stick fracture. Answer: open fracture. Open fracture is a fracture in which there is an open wound or break in the skin near the site of broken bone. A fracture is open when there is a direct communication between the fracture site and the external environment. Next question, identify the microorganism. Options: Streptococcus, E. coli, coronavirus, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Answer: E. coli. E. coli is a type of bacteria that normally live in the intestine of people and animals. It occurs as single straight rods and when motile it produces the lateral flagella. It also has the fimbriae that help in attachment to the host tissues. Next, identify the instrument. Options: Asepto syringe, Kerman syringe, manual vacuum aspirator, Rubin's cannula. Answer: Asepto syringe. It is an instrument for introducing the fluids into or withdrawing them from the body. It is a syringe with a bulb on one end which is used for intraoperative irrigation. Compression of the bulb creates a vacuum for gentle suction of small amount of bodily drainages such as oral and nasal secretions. Next question. Identify the symbol. Options: AIDS, breast cancer awareness, safe motherhood, suicide prevention. Answer: pink ribbon is an international symbol of breast cancer awareness, illustrating the cause, raising awareness and bringing together women in solidarity. Next question. Identify the type of retractor. Options: Langenbeck retractor, Morris retractor, Deaver retractor, Doyne's retractor. Answer is Doyne's retractor. It is a broad-based retractor used to pull back the softened tissues and widen the surgical field. It is useful in laparotomies and pelvic surgeries like the abdominal hysterectomy, cesarean section, as well as retraction of the urinary bladder. Next question. Identify the respiratory condition. Options: COPD, asthma, pleural effusion, pneumonia. Answer: COPD. It is a group of progressive lung diseases and the most common causes are emphysema and chronic bronchitis. And peculiar features are the X-ray findings are flattened diaphragm, overinflation of the lung field and abnormal air collections within the lung. Next, identify the suture. Options: intermittent suture, continuous suture, horizontal suture, retention suture. Answer: continuous suture. Continuous or uninterrupted suture is made with single strand of suture material, and these are one with a series of stitches, but they are not individually knotted. Next question. Identify the bone of extremity. Options: radius, ulna, tibia, fibula. Answer: radius. Radius or radial bone is one of the two large bones of the forearm. It extends from the lateral side of the elbow to the thumb side of the wrist, and it runs parallel to the ulna. The ulna is usually slightly longer than the radius, but the radius is thicker. Next question. Identify the disease. Options: Kawasaki disease, marasmus, SLE, oral thrush. Answer: Kawasaki disease. It is a peculiar feature of strawberry tongue which is found in Kawasaki disease. Kawasaki disease is a condition that causes inflammation in the walls of some blood vessels in the body, and it is a syndrome of unknown cause. The tongue may have a typical strawberry tongue appearance with redness with prominent gestative papillae. Next question. Identify the apparatus. Options: Fresenius dialyzer, arterial blood filter, heat moist exchanger, pulmonary testing filter. Answer: heat moist exchanger. Heat and moisture exchanger or heat and exchange moisturizers are devices used in the mechanically ventilated patients intended to help prevent complications due to the drying of the respiratory mucosa, such as mucus plugging and endotracheal tube occlusion. Next question, identify the tube. Options: pulmonary artery catheter, CVP line, arterial catheter, Sengstaken-Blakemore tube. Answer is Sengstaken-Blakemore tube. It is a medical device inserted through the nose or mouth and used occasionally in the management of upper gastrointestinal hemorrhage due to the esophageal varices. So please like, comment and subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.